Okay, now let's show you how to add a drawing into Google Keep. All I have to do is come over here and do this new note with drawing. Now I will tell you this is much easier on a tablet or a device with a stylus than it is on the computer with a trackpad, but we'll give it a shot here. Across the top you have some tools where you can go over. This is your eraser, and you can have both a regular eraser or clear the page. Your pen, marker, highlighter, and this grids and checkbox. This thing we'll get to in just a second. I'm going to do a highlighter or a marker here. I'm going to do a blue marker and make it about that big. And then I can just come here and I can click and draw. And I can also highlight, which is really neat. So I can come on here and choose a highlighter, and a highlighter just highlights whatever you have there. And you'll notice as I color over it more and more, it actually gets darker, just like a regular highlighter. If I don't like that, I can come here and I can get my eraser and I can click on the last thing I did. So if you make a mistake, it's really easy to erase. This is really neat because you can add squares, so you can make it into graph paper, dots, or lined rules, or none. And then you have your undo and redo buttons. You can also make it a smaller screen, and then you can come in here, make a new drawing, download it, or delete the current drawing. So I'm just going to go ahead and make this with the squares in the high, and then I'm going to go back out, and as you can see, my drawing is right there. I can click on it again, and I double click, and I'm back in the drawing window where I can make changes to it. So pretty cool, pretty easy to add a drawing into Google Keep.